Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Ubuntu release and installing system updates so dependencies match. This prevents protocol mismatches. Once done, decide whether you'll use OpenVPN, WireGuard, or IKE of 2. Each balances speed and security differently. Make sure you have the providers, OpenFile or WireGuard keys, and your username/password. Then install the appropriate network manager plugins and CLI tools with apt so Ubuntu's GUI or terminal can import and manage the connection. Next, open Ubuntu settings and go to Network, then VPN and click Add. Import your OpenFile or create a WireGuard profile by pasting keys and endpoint. If you prefer CLI, run sudo openvpn config client. Ofpin for OpenVPN or sudo wgquickup wg0 for WireGuard. These commands establish interfaces and routes immediately. Make sure DNS is set to the providers or automatic to avoid leaks, and enable system-wide access if multiple accounts will use the VPN. Finally, confirm the tunnel is active by checking the network interface with IP and verifying your external IP via curl ifconfig. This proves traffic routes through the VPN. To persist across reboots, enable the systemd service for WireGuard or set the network manager connection to auto-connect. If things fail, inspect /var/log/syslog and sudo journoctl u network manager for authentication or DNS errors. Then verify firewall and provider port settings. Fixing those typically resolves common connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.